Guys, welcome back to our course. So this is the Python course for beginners. This is model number 10 and today we are going to see Python tuple. So what is a tuple? So tuple is similar to list. A tuple is a data structure that can store a collection of items in a fixed order. Tuples are similar to list but they are immutable, which means that their elements cannot be changed. So this is the simple or major difference between list and tuple. So list can be changed but tuple cannot be changed. So because these are the immutable. Tuples are often used to store data that needs to kept in a specific order, such as days of week or months of the year. Creating tuples, so we can create tuples and we are going to see how to create tuples. To create the tuples in Python, you can use the following syntax. It is similar to the syntax of list, but there are some minor changes. So my tuple equal to, and we are using the changes that in list we are going to use square bracket, but here we are using this curve brackets or parenthesis, and in that parenthesis we are providing our elements of that tuple. This will create tuple with elements 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So now how we can access the elements in tuple? So there are different, this is the syntax of accessing the elements in tuple. So to access an elements in tuple we can use square brackets. So it is similar to list and the index of first element in tuple is 0. For example, we have to access the first element in my tuple, then we use following code. First element equal to my tuple and in square bracket we are going to use 0. So we can also slice the tuples like we have performed this task in the list. We can use that similar to that list. So you can also use the square bracket for slice the tuple. This means that you can extract a subsequence of element from tuple. So to specify, we have to specify the start and ending of that subsequence. So like we are going to use this by using this code subtuple equal to my tuple, and it will provide us the second element to fourth element. We are going to get this sequence. So now there are different type of methods which are performed on the tuple. So first one is count will count the number of occurrence of given element in the tuple. Index is used to return the index of given element in the tuple. Len len is used to get length of the tuple. Max is used to return the largest element in tuple. Min is used to get smallest element in the tuple. So these are the elements which are used to perform on the tuple. So now using list or tuples effectively. So tuples are very useful data structure in Python. They can be used to store and manipulate a wide variety of data. So there are some tips you have to keep in mind. So use tuples to store the need that needs to kept in a specific order. Be aware that tuples are immutable, which means their element cannot be changed. Use tuple method to work with tuple efficiently. Now examples of using tuples. So we are going to see one example. So first of all, we have to create a tuple of days of the week. So we are going to provide all the 7 days of week, Monday to or Sunday to Saturday. So now days of the week equal to Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So these are the days of week and we are going to create a tuple of these days. Now we can access the first element by using days of the week and we are going to use 0 as a index. So 0 is the index of first element. Print the first day to console. So we can print first day. So we have printed the first day. Now slice the tuple to extract element from second to fourth. So we can use the similar syntax like we have seen already. Print the subtuple. So we can print the subtuple, and when we have to count the number of occurrence of day Friday, then we can use this method days of the week dot count Friday. So it will count the number of how many times Fridays. So we can print it in a console by using print statement. So this is very simple and similar to list. Therefore I have completed this topic quickly. So as conclusion, we can see that tuples are fundamental data structure in Python. Understanding and using tuple effectively is essential for writing Python code. So this is all from my side. If you have any question, then ask in Q&A section. I will try to answer each and every question. So thank you guys. Take care, guys. Bye bye.